Hi, this is Luis over at Champion Auto in Hayward, and today we have a 2007 Toyota Yaris that we just got in and are currently offering for sale. Here's a walk around on the car. Car's really clean inside and out. It's a nice indigo ink pearl. That's the color on the car. It is a one owner, clean CarFax. And tires still have plenty of tread, so you don't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon. Car has been through our mechanic. He goes through the tire tread, the brakes, and all the safety equipment on the car. Make sure everything's good to go. Show you guys the trunk. It's a really big trunk. And in the bottom is the spare tire and all the equipment. Here's the back seats, plenty of space back here. And here's the front. It is a 5-speed. Car has 81,069 miles. There's a cup holders. It has its power mirrors, power windows, power door locks. And here are the cup holders. And it has a auxiliary port back here, so you can connect it to your phone, listen to music off your phone. Nice to have. Like I said, it was a one owner, clean CarFax. Everything checks out. We could go more into that when you come in person. Let me show you guys the engine. Here it is. It's a 4-cylinder engine. You get great gas mileage. Everything's original. This car's never been in any type of accidents. Very easy to work on. Oil changes, tune-ups, whatever it may be. Should have no problems. Like I said, it is a 4-cylinder. This car, you don't need to spend your whole check filling this car up. Gets great gas mileage. This would be an excellent commuter. So there it is, our 2007 Toyota Yaris. Please give us a call at 510-214-3195. Schedule your appointment. Car looks really good in person. We have great financing available. Rates starting as low as 1.99 on approved credit. If you have no credit, bad credit for first-time buyer, give us a call. Still might be able to help you guys out. These cars are really easy to finance. Just give us a call. And thank you for watching the video.